Hello people, so we are going to be unboxing the PlayStation 5 DualSense white controller. So yeah, I'm just going to be unboxing it for you guys. To basically show you guys what it basically looks like. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. Alright. So yeah, this is what the DualSense PlayStation 5 white controller looks like. I mean, like I said, yeah, man, it looks beautiful. I mean, obviously, you've got everything all there. Really sleek, smooth design. Definitely better than the PlayStation 4 controllers. You can tell it's a major upgrade. But yeah, obviously this is a really, really good controller. You know, and yeah, it's really, really good. Much better than the PlayStation 4. One of the best PlayStation controllers, definitely. So yeah, you obviously get the instruction manual with it as well. So yeah, let's open that up. So this is the DualSense wireless controller manual, instruction manual. So you obviously get the specifications for it. So yeah, that's all the hardware part names, and so I'll just show you basically. So yeah, that's the instruction manual. So thank you guys so much for watching the video. Please make sure you like and subscribe at Satanic Gaming Official, and yeah, I'm gonna be out.